Web3 TV.
Hello and welcome to Web3 TV. I'm Lisa Amnegard, and today we're at the Dubai FinTech Summit 2025. Joining me right now is Sivakumar, head of Yubi MENA. So thank you so much for joining me today.
Thanks for having me here.
And how's your day been so far?
That's great. We have been here meeting a lot of visitors here, and it's a great forum for us to connect with a lot of fintechs and corporates and our prospect customers.
And is this your first Dubai FinTech Summit?
For myself, yes, but yeah, we have been Yubi as a group has been participating in DFS and other fintechs very regularly.
Interesting. And when it comes to Yubi, you recently established here in the MENA region, but can you tell me a little bit more about the company and your plans for the region?
So Yubi is we are a multi-product fintech company. We provide lending infrastructure across all products for banks. Basically, our customers are banks and financial services companies. We help banks to grow their loan book, be it retail, SME loan book, or corporate loan book. We provide a full stack solution right from finding the borrower, sourcing the borrower from a landing zone, or sourcing on our platform, collecting the documents, completing a full CAM generation for the bank, and checking whether the loan is as per the BREs of the banks, and disbursements through our LOS and LMS platforms, and finally on the collections. So we are all our products and services or across help the bank to grow the loan book, and we are present across the entire loan life journey. Specifically, if you talk about specific products, supply chain finance is one, where we bring the large anchor corporate and lend to the small SMEs, both on the sell side, on the buy side of the anchor corporate. We not only provide the tech infrastructure, we provide the distribution capacity for the banks. Ultimately, banks are looking at growing their business. That's why on top of tech, we also give the distribution capacity. We also have a loan marketplace where we bring borrowers for the banks, whether it is SME loans or corporate loans or retail loans. Again, that's to help the banks to grow their loan book faster. And on our co-lending platform, that's something we are a market leader in India. There are more than 15,000 NBFCs in India where they always look for funding. So a typical NBFC doesn't have free access to public money. And their growth is constrained because of the access to public funds. So that's where our co-lending platform helps in terms of bringing a finance company and a bank together. And together, it's a win-win for both of them and lending to borrowers. And we also have a digital lending, retail lending platform where we have various landing zones. We sit on B2C apps. We sit on the HRMS portal of large employers. And we also sit on the SaaS platforms of B2B SaaS platforms, where we source loans, we originate loans for banks, and we provide the full stack solution right till booking the loan on the bank's core system. We are deeply integrated on both on the bank side and on the originator side.
So you're kind of a full encompassing lending platform that helps various sectors, right?
Yeah.
But when it comes to the lending sector, especially when it comes for banks, it's been around for ages. So how is fintech or technology in general helping this industry?
So banking, fundamentally, if you see banking as a business, it's all about raising money and lending to the borrowers, right? So the way the lending and raising money has drastically changed, especially last 10 years. And specifically post-COVID, the innovation has driven a lot of transformation across all the way banking services is being provided. If you see retail banking, for example, I recall a CEO of a leading bank who 10 years back said he wants to double the branch network in 5 years' time. However, in 5 years, he actually reversed his decision and said he started reducing the branches by half. So that's the power of innovation. Innovation is unpredictable. And we have seen that happening in the last 10 years on retail banking. So what we saw in retail banking, I foresee this is coming on the SME banking, SME lending also. So today, if you see a lot of markets, the SME lending penetration is quite low. There are markets where only 4% of the entire loan book is sitting on SMEs. There are markets which are at 20-25% also. And the biggest challenge has been in terms of the cost of acquiring a new customer and the cost of servicing existing customers. Now, innovation and our digital platforms are going to help in reducing the cost and increase that SME lending penetration.
So how does that look like? How are you reducing the costs?
Sorry?
So how does that look like? So you see an opportunity when it comes to SME lending. So How does that product look like?
So today, the whole SME lending, there's a lot of human in the loop, right? So that increases the cost. So the banks are unable to expand their business because they need to employ so many staff, people on the ground. So that's constraining banks from expanding. So our digital lending platform, where let's say I as a use case, I can give a hypothetical example. Let's say I go and sit on the landing zone of a SaaS platform. Let's say an accounting software provider or a software provider for restaurants, for example. My landing zone is on the software, and the SME or the merchant starts the loan journey right from the SaaS application. And our platform builds the whole business rule engine, which is as per the bank's credit criteria. And we filter the loans and we integrate with the bank's core system and book the loan. That could be a loan which can be booked in 10 minutes if it is fully unsecured and it's up to a certain amount. I can book the loan and give the money to the borrower in 10 minutes. That could be a loan which is secured where there could be a human in the loop. But overall, the end-to-end turnaround time is going to be very fast when it comes to booking loans through our digital lending platform.
So the quicker, faster solutions.
Quicker and faster. And at a lower cost.
At lower cost. All good things.
Yeah.
And when we look at this region you recently established here, so what are the biggest opportunities that you see when it comes to the lending space?
So the lot of things we do in India, we have seen that innovation driving the increased productivity across banks. We have been bringing our products and services from India to here, and we are currently very active on our data products and collections business on the enterprise loans. We're also getting into a digital lending platform for mortgage loans, and we're also starting our co-lending business. So this is a virgin market for us, and there's a lot of opportunity to grow. And I see a huge opportunity not only in UAE, across MENA, the entire Middle East and North Africa. Our plan is to expand to Saudi and Egypt further down the line and cater to the entire MENA market out of Dubai.
So expanding a lot. And if we just look at the Middle East market per se, you've been in the UAE now for 1 year, I believe.
We have present for the last 3 years here in the UAE.
Yeah. So how is it for when you look at, let's say, the long term, how do you see the landscape?
So we have a clear 5-year business plan for MENA. We started our enterprise loans marketplace 6 months ago. We have started our retail lending. Currently, we are setting up the team, and we plan to expand on co-lending and our tech stack on collections. There is a lot of scope to grow. Again, we are in discussions with Saudi banks in Saudi, Oman, and some of the African countries have reached out to us. We should be able to grow across all these countries.
Yeah, and the regulatory framework here is very favorable for fintech firms and innovation in general. And if anyone wants to learn more about Yubi, how can they find you?
Sorry?
If anyone wants to learn more about Yubi, where's the best place to find you?
Please, our website is there, goyubi.ae or goyubi.com. We are happy to meet you to explain more about our products and services. And our team will reach out to you if you drop a message on the website.
And your CEO will be speaking today later on stage. So
and please join our panel discussion. Our CEO is on the panel today at 4:10, and welcome. Please join. And we also have a booth here in the FinTech Summit.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much for speaking with me. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you. Pleasure talking to you.
And I'll be bringing you more interviews. My name is Lisa Amnegard, and you're watching Web3 TV.
Web3